Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials so the repair goes smoothly. Plug the original USB cable, charge above 50%, and enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone. On your computer, install ADB and Fastboot and the OEM USB drivers. Once done, connect the phone and run a DB devices to confirm recognition. If the phone doesn't appear, try a different cable or USB port. Once the device shows up, you can move immediately into recovery and selective flashing steps. You now use recovery and ADB to repair system files. First, boot into recovery with a DB reboot recovery or the phone's key combination. Once in recovery, select Wipe Cache Partition to remove corrupted temporary files. If that fails, sideload the stock OTA using a DB sideload followed by the update file. This rewrites core packages without erasing data. For deeper corruption, reboot to bootloader and use fastboot flash commands to replace specific partitions. System, finish by rebooting and checking stability. Select Reboot System, complete initial setup, and restore your backup. Make sure apps and services run normally. Once stable, relock the bootloader if you unlocked it earlier to restore security. If the phone remains in a boot loop or behaves oddly, reflash the full factory image for your exact model from a reliable source or try the process on a different PC with another cable and drivers. Key troubleshooting tip: if the device isn't recognized, swap cables and reinstall OEM drivers before reflashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.